slow delivery this time with the off-break action. And we've seen some better disguise than that over the years. We talked about Abdul Razak's slower ball, but this one not quite so well concealed. Now, what on earth has happened here? Now, I've hardly ever seen Rahul Dravid raise his voice, or heard Rahul Dravid raise his voice. Something has triggered that. Well, it's just a collision. Well, that happens in cricket all the time. And in comes the referee.
Rightly so. Rahul Dravid must have been expecting it.
They're asking, has that just been a little touch on the glove down the leg side? That was the question they were asking. Shake of the head gives the answer. But Shoaib Akhtar has just raised the level here a little bit.
That was a quick delivery. Almost 86 miles an hour. Let's have a look where it hit. Just the thigh guard.
Signal from the umpire, so a half century for Rahul Dravid.